Today's video is on the top 3 best cordless electric lawn mowers. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3. Best budget. Craftsman Electric Lawn Mower. Is your lawn getting out of control with thick, unruly grass? A powerful, reliable lawn mower can make all the difference, and this one is built to handle even the toughest mowing jobs. Equipped with a robust 13-amp motor, it delivers strong, consistent power to cut through tall grass with ease. No more struggling with weak motors or having to go over the same patch multiple times. This mower ensures a smooth, even cut on the first pass. And with its generous 20-inch cutting deck, you can cover more ground in less time, making yard work faster and more efficient. Whether you have a small suburban lawn or a larger yard, this mower is designed to get the job done quickly without the hassle. But a great lawnmower isn't just about power, it's also about flexibility. That's why this model offers a 3-in-1 mowing system, giving you full control over how you handle your grass clippings. If you want a clean, debris-free lawn, the rear bagging option neatly collects clippings, making disposal quick and easy. Prefer to feed nutrients back into your lawn? The mulching feature finally chops the grass and returns it to the soil, helping to promote a lush, healthy yard. And for those who need a quick, efficient cut without stopping to empty a bag, the side discharge function spreads clippings evenly across your lawn. No matter your mowing style, this mower adapts to fit your needs, giving you the freedom to care for your yard your way. Cutting performance is key, and the specially designed winged blade takes it to the next level. This unique blade improves airflow and enhances cutting precision, ensuring an even trim across the entire lawn. Say goodbye to jagged edges or missed spots. Every pass delivers a sharp, clean cut that makes your yard look professionally maintained. Storage is often a hassle with bulky lawn equipment, but not with this mower. The easy fold handle allows for compact, vertical storage, freeing up space in your garage or shed. No need to struggle with awkward positioning or clutter. Just fold it up and store it neatly until the next use. And for added peace of mind, this mower comes with a 3-year limited warranty. You can mow with confidence, knowing that your investment is protected. Ready to take the stress out of lawn care? This mower has everything you need to keep your yard looking its best with minimal effort. Smash that subscribe button like a mower tackling the tallest weeds. Number 2. Best overall. Greenworks Cordless Push Lawn Mower. Tired of dealing with gas, oil, and endless maintenance just to keep your lawn looking great? Say hello to the Greenworks Cordless Lawn Mower, designed to make mowing easier, faster, and completely hassle-free. Whether you have a small yard or a larger space to cover, this electric mower delivers reliable performance without the drawbacks of traditional gas-powered options. No more trips to the gas station, no more messy oil changes, and no more dealing with stubborn pull cords. Just press a button and you're ready to go. This mower runs on 2 powerful 24-volt batteries, combining for a total of 48 volts of cutting power. That means you can mow for up to 45 minutes on a full charge, depending on grass conditions and how you mow. If the grass is thick and overgrown, the mower might use a little more energy, but for regular maintenance cuts, you'll get plenty of time to get the job done. Plus, it operates smoothly in temperatures ranging from 32 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. So whether it's a cool morning or a hot summer afternoon, you're good to go. One of the most challenging parts of using traditional mowers is dealing with their weight and bulkiness. Fortunately, the Greenworks Cordless Lawn Mower is designed to be lightweight without sacrificing durability. Its rust-resistant 17-inch poly deck makes it easy to maneuver around your yard, giving you more control and less effort as you mow. Whether you have narrow spaces, flower beds, or trees to work around, this lightweight design helps you navigate with ease. It's perfect for those who want to avoid the struggle of pushing a heavy machine across their lawn. Every lawn is different, which is why having control over the height of your cut is so important. This mower features a simple single lever adjustment with 5 different height settings. Whether you prefer a shorter, well-manicured look or a slightly longer cut for healthier grass, you can easily switch between settings to get the perfect result. And when it comes to handling grass clippings, you have options. The 2-in-1 design lets you choose between mulching, which returns nutrients. Number 1. Our pick. EcoPower Self-Propelled Lawn Mower. Looking for a powerful cordless lawn mower that gives you complete control? This bundle has everything you need for a smooth and efficient mowing experience. It includes the Cordless Lawn Mower, a 7.5 amp-hour arc lithium battery, a 5 amp-hour arc lithium battery, which may ship separately, a 550 watt charger, and multiple blades for different cutting needs. You'll also get a grass bag and frame, a side discharge chute, and a mulching plug, all designed to help you tackle your lawn with ease. The Select Cut multi-blade system lets you customize your mowing experience by choosing the right blade for the job. Whether you want a clean, high-lift bagging cut or extended runtime, this system gives you options. Plus, the Touch Drive's self-propelled technology makes maneuvering effortless, putting full control right in the palm of your hand. With the 7.5 amp-hour arc lithium battery, you can enjoy up to 60 minutes of runtime on a single charge. Even better, the included 550 watt charger recharges it in just 60 minutes so you can get back to work quickly. Need extra power? The bundle also includes a 5 amp-hour arc lithium battery to extend your mowing time even further. This mower also offers precision with its 8 cutting height positions, which are adjustable between 1 and 4 inches. Whether you want a slightly trimmed lawn or a much shorter, more manicured look, you can easily adjust the mower to the height that best suits your needs. The 3-in-1 functionality provides even more versatility. You can choose between mulching, bagging, or side discharge depending on your preferences and lawn care goals. Each of these functions works seamlessly to give you multiple ways to care for your yard, making this mower ideal for any type of lawn. In terms of durability and long-term reliability, this mower has you covered. It comes with a 5-year tool warranty, ensuring that you're protected from any manufacturing defects or issues that may arise with the mower itself. Additionally, the 3-year battery warranty provides peace of mind when it comes to the performance and longevity of the included batteries. And because this mower is compatible with all EcoPower 56-volt ARC lithium batteries, you can easily swap out batteries or add more to extend your mowing time, providing even greater flexibility for larger properties. Ready to upgrade your mowing experience? With this comprehensive bundle, you're getting a powerful, versatile, and durable lawn mower that will make lawn care easier and more efficient than ever before. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.